Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I bring you a review. This is Modelones Gel Nail Kit with UV Light New Winter Series with 6 different gel colors. It has a matte top coat, a base, and a regular glossy top coat. The nail lamp in this is a 24-watt lamp. And it came with what they're calling upgraded manicure tools, and we're going to see what that is. So here it is. This is how you can, it comes in this box already nicely packaged, ready to be wrapped and be gifted as a gift to any nail art enthusiasts out there. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. Let's open this up and see what's inside. This is another travel bag, and this one has a wrist band right there. This is where the gel polishes are. 6 different colors. I am going to give these a swatch, and they are fall colors, beautiful cream colors. We're going to swatch those on my nail wheel. And here's the lamp by Nat Plus. It's a 2-in-1, meaning it's an LED/UV lamp. Nice, good for, yeah, it's a pretty compact lamp. And then inside the box you see how Modelones always includes their nice little cards with safety instructions about the product and some very detailed instructions on how to do if you are new at doing gel nails at home. So that's very nice of them to do. So this starter kit, guys, can be found on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below. This was sent to me for review. Now I will tell you, I just checked just right when I was starting to film this video, and it looked like the item was unavailable, and I will say it is temporarily unavailable on Amazon, but do continue to check it out and when it's back in stock. But let me go ahead and open this up. Okay, so yeah, this is one of those kits. It has everything that you need, from preparation of your nails to removal of the nails. I love these. These are the removal pads to remove your gel polish. I went ahead and gave these a try, and I really like the ones that I opened. They had a coconut scent. So very nice. And there's a cloth pad in there. The wrapper is made out of foil, so you use the entire thing to wrap it around your nail to remove your gel polish. And this is isopropyl alcohol that is good for prepping the nail and cleaning the nail after you're done and before. So those are good to have. You have some pink toe separators. There's some more of these. A pair of nippers. Nice sharp nippers. Very nice. Your cuticle pusher. I do like these. And this is a buffer, 100, 180 disinfectable, so this is good. You will get to keep this and you can disinfect it. And then the regular nail file, 100, 180 right there. Your cuticle oil, let's see what color this particular one is. This one is also a pink, and these smell wonderful. I do love those. Okay, and then you have a pair of nail clippers, small nail clippers, and this is new. So this is called a cuticle treatment, and the scent of lavender. What a pretty packaging, and check it out, guys. That is so pretty. I brought you up close. That's actually the product. So this window right here is actually clear, and you're looking at the product. There it is in that pretty lavender. And it really smells wonderful. I hate to waste that. Just go ahead and close that back. So that's for nurturing your cuticles. We also have a very pretty soft kabuki brush, and this one has a what I will call this a full handle. So yes, this one, I do like this. It's easier to hold it for using on your nails. Very pretty. Okay, now let's go ahead and move on to give the lamp a test and see how that works. So here's the lamp box. Let's go ahead and remove it and see how it is very nicely packaged in here with bubble wrap. Let's see what you get inside. So here are the matte top coat, the glossy top coat, and the base. And I will tell you, this has to be the best matte top coat I've ever used. So I'm very glad I have another one. This is only my second bottle of this matte top coat, and this is by far my favorite. When it comes out of the lamp, it comes out completely matte, so I do love that. Going back to this lamp, so this lamp, just like one other lamp that I have reviewed before by Nap Plus, it also includes 2 USB cables. You will still need the adapter to plug this into the wall. Yeah, I don't know what would be the benefit of having 2. I've measured them before. They are the same length. I think one is slightly 3 inches longer than the other. And it's not like you can connect them together to make an even longer cord, right? But here you have it. And what I do when I do these reviews, I have my laptop is right behind my camera in that direction, so I actually plug this into the USB port of my laptop. And here's the user's manual of the lamp. Go ahead and give you an up close look of this compact lamp. It's so cute. Okay, I can tell you already, I like that it has an LED display here of the timer. It has buttons for 99 seconds, 80 seconds. Now that's interesting. It's usually 90 seconds. This one has 80 seconds, and then 60 seconds. And these are push buttons, as you heard. That's where your plug goes into, and here it is underneath. It has 12 LED lights, and I like how, unlike the other one, that it only has the lights around the outside like this. This one has 2 LED lights here right on top. It allows for some ventilation right there, right off the center. So no bottom tray, very light. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and measure the opening here. If I set this flat on my desk, you have from the tabletop to the top edge of the lamp just over 1.5 inches. Okay, so like I said, it's pretty compact, and as far as the opening, the width of the opening is 5.5 inches from here. There it is, 5.5 inches. And then from here to what would be the bottom of the table when it's sitting, it's right here about 1.5 inches. Okay, so there you go, nice and compact. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. Okay guys, I have now this plugged in, and I dimmed the lights to make it easier for you to see the display, what the LED display is showing here. And just to reiterate, the buttons here, the timers, so this one actually has, and now I'm upside down, but this one is 99 seconds, 80 seconds, and 60 seconds, okay? Not the traditional 10, 30, 60 that we are, or 120 that we're used to seeing. So this one, I'm sure this is based on the 24 watts that this puts out. This is what they have already set up to work best in curing your gel polish. So you will want to give that a try. Now let me go ahead and show you. I tested, it does have sensors, as you can see. It comes on automatically. It does have the sensor so that when you put your hand inside the lamp, it automatically comes on. However, these are not preset timers. Like, let's say, for example, if you want 60 seconds, you will press 60, insert the hand, and it will count down to 60. No, that's not what it will do. When you insert the hand, no matter what button you might have pressed last, it's always counting down from 99. So the automatic sensor counts down from 99 seconds. So okay, so it will cure your gel polish or your product 99 seconds. If you want it for less than that, then you will press the button. This is 60 or 80, and it has already started to count down without you inserting the hand. So you will want to make sure that you press the button first and then insert your hand. Okay, and see how when you remove the hand, it's still counting down. So taking the hand out does not stop the counter. Let me go ahead and press it to turn it off. And also another thing, let's say if you put your hand in, it already started counting down from 99. Even if you press any of these buttons, it's not going to change the timer. It's going to continue counting from where it originally started, 99 seconds. All right, so there's the demonstration on that lamp. Now I'm going to go ahead and give the gel polishes we're going to swatch the gel polishes on these tips right here, and I am going to use the lamp. Alright guys, so here are these beautiful muted colors. Look at them. I love these colors. They're perfect neutrals for fall. And I mean, you can even take these any time between the seasons. But yes, I do like these for the fall. I think they will look great for any skin tone. And as you can see, here they are without any top coat. Okay, and they have very good shine on their own. The only two that I felt needed two coats were these two lighter ones right here. All the others I got away with only a single coat, no streak marks or anything. As you can see, I love the formula. Very good viscosity, not too thick, not too thin. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the gel. Let me give you, I did not use the base for these tips, but just to show you the formula here, obviously a clear formula. Yeah, and I like this base coat because it's, as you can see, it's not very runny. It's not, see that string right there, how it leaves behind that tail. So that means it's not it's not too liquidy or too thin. Here is the glossy top coat that I'm going to go ahead and try it over these swatches. And then the matte top coat, which I already told you I love. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these over the colors. Okay guys, so here they are out of the lamp. There you saw a clip that I took with my phone as I was putting these in the lamp, and you saw them as they were curing, how they went from glossy, the uncure top coat, to matte as it was curing. Wasn't that cool? Oh, I love this matte top coat. I love how it comes matte straight out of that lamp. I love that. So with that matte top coat, I mean, it's like it's almost like you're doubling the number of colors here. It's almost like having 12 different colors, because you'd be surprised if you made these glossies again, how different the colors look from each other. The same color going from matte to glossy. Absolutely beautiful. Very neat, very nice effect there. Yeah, I love these colors. I hope you guys like them too. I love this kit. It's absolutely wonderful, and I truly recommend it. Again, I will have the link down in the description bar below. Do continue to check it out, and hopefully it will come back in stock very, very soon, because this is a brand new kit. So I would like to thank Modelones for sending me these beautiful products to play with and review, guys. If you have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. If you guys enjoyed this review, please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.